Don't you just love pranking your friends? Well, why not take those pranks to new levels with food? Imagine your friend biting into their favorite treat, only to get a spicy surprise. Before we get started pranking, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, on to spicy food pranks. Oreos. What makes Oreos so addictive? It's the mix of chocolatey crunchiness and sweet cream that is hard to resist. Too bad, we are going to replace the cream inside with something more punchy. Don't worry, you can eat that cream yourself. Now, we are going to add our special ingredient, horseradish. Spread it all in there. Pack up the cookies as if nothing happened. Let's seal the package off with hot glue so that no one will ever know the difference. Now when your friend goes to open it, she will get a nice, tangy surprise. Kiwi Smoothie. Kiwi meet wasabi. Oh yes, this is going to be savage. If you mix wasabi with water, you'll get that exact kiwi smoothie color. Look at that! Let's add in some black pepper just to heat things up even more. A little more couldn't hurt. Black pepper will also resemble kiwi seeds and make it look 100% believable. Here's the most important part. Cut up a kiwi and put it on the glass as decoration. It'll look so pretty, no one will suspect anything. At least, not until they take a sip. Donut. Donuts sure are delicious. That is, until you add some wasabi. We are not obsessed with this spice. It just works great for pranks. Take a donut and ice it with wasabi. Make sure that you spread it nice and even so that it really looks like icing. Add on some sprinkles. Doesn't that look delicious? Now when your friend bites into it, they will get a special surprise. Tea. Smells delicious. Well, not for long. Wait for it. Cut into the tea bag and open it up. We found a perfect spicy replacement for the tea, black pepper. No one will be able to tell the difference. Measure out some black pepper and pour it into the bag. Luckily, tea bags are easy to seal up. All we have to do is sew the little tea card back onto the bag and we're done. Doesn't that smell yummy? No? Choco Buns. Choco Buns and garlic, a match made in pranking heaven. Open up the bonbons and take the chocolate out. Cut the garlic cloves out of their shells. The shape of the cloves is just perfect for this prank. And it's the same color as the filling of the Choco Buns. All we have to do is to dip it in chocolate. It looks so good that we almost forgot that it's actually garlic. Now wrap all of the garlic in the bonbon paper. This is going to be such a great prank. We almost feel sorry for the victims of this one. Now when your friend bites into this, they're going to get a mouthful of garlic. Jello. Okay, this prank is super easy, but also kind of genius. Pour Jello powder into the bowl as usual, but then we are going to add chili powder to the mix. Now, pour in some water and let it sit. Looks like a strawberry Jello, doesn't it? When your friend goes to take a bite, she will be getting a lot more than she expected. Raffaello. This coconut treat actually makes a perfect pranking material. Make sure to keep the original package. Cut the candy into 2 pieces. Be careful, it is very fragile. Now we're gonna remove the yummy cream inside. Can you guess what we're gonna replace it with? Horseradish! It looks just like the cream, but a little spicier. Put the halves back together and cover up the cracks with more horseradish. Why don't we sprinkle on some garlic powder for good measure? Let's glue the package shut so no one will notice. Your friend will be so excited to eat this candy until they bite into it and get a mouthful of horseradish and garlic. Yum! Chocolate-covered strawberries. It's about to get hot in here. Poke a hole in the bottom of a strawberry and stick a chili pepper in the hole. Chocolate-covered strawberries make the perfect dessert and a perfect opportunity for a prank. Now, use a candle to melt some chocolate. Get it nice and gooey. Dip the ends of the strawberries in the chocolate. And lay them out on a plate. When your friend bites this dessert, they are going to need a lot of water to wash it down. Banana sushi roll. Here's another dessert that is perfect prank material. And for this prank, we will use 2 different spices. Keep watching to find out which ones. Cut a banana into little segments, just like a sushi roll. Now, scoop out a little bit from the center of each banana. Cut up some hot chili pepper. And stick the pieces into the banana slices. Who can make this more delicious? Our second spice is horseradish. It will also help to hide the chili peppers. And last but not least, let's roll them around in coconut shavings. Your friend will be so happy that you've made them such a creative dessert, until they bite into it and start wishing they hadn't. Tomato canapes. Chili sauce is the king of spicy pranks. Cut the tomatoes in half and use a syringe to inject them with chili sauce. Close it up and stick a toothpick through the halves to keep them together. When your friend takes a bite, they'll be wishing they had eaten at home. Mandarin. Peel the mandarins. Mandarins take so long to peel. Your friend will be happy that you did it for them. Pour some chili sauce in a bowl and use a syringe to inject each slice with some fire. This could take a while, but it'll be totally worth it. It will take a few chews for your friend to realize they have made a horrible mistake. That's it for spicy food pranks. Which prank are you gonna try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more crazy pranks and DIYs. Thanks for watching and see you next time.